Hey guys, it's Ryan from Ryan Anthony's Heating and Air Conditioning and Long Island Building and Contracting Consultants. I want to take you on a quick walkthrough of a kitchen first floor renovation we just completed about a month ago. This right here is an 11 by a little bit over 4 foot butcher block top. All right, so I like to start in the foyer because this is obviously the first thing you see when you walk in the front door. Try to imagine, I'll see if I get some before shots, but there was tile here, obviously not this tile. This dining room area was a wood floor. There was a cheek wall here that came out to about here, and another cheek on this side, separating the dining room from another room, I guess you can call a hangout room that they had, little seating area. But there was also a wall separating that room and the kitchen right here, with a walkthrough right here. So obviously, we took down all the walls, gave it a nice, beautiful open floor concept, which everyone seems to like, and re-supported everything as needed. All the wood was ripped up, the tile was ripped up. We did a whole new mud job this whole first floor. So all this here may look like wood, but this is tile. This customer lives south of Montauk. Moisture is an issue when you're south of Montauk, close to the water. So we went with a full mud job, nice tile with the wood feel to it. Came out very nice. Moving back this way, obviously all new cabinets, brand new island, butcher block. Like I said, it's 11 feet wide by a little over 4 feet. Came out very nice. The customer went with shiplap walls here as a feature wall. I think it came out beautiful. And once again, the homeowner picked out really nice stuff. So it makes our job look real nice at the end. So. Now, where the stove is, if you look, Frank, over there, that window that's now by the dining room table was where this stove was. So we were going to remove it, obviously, to get the cabinets in, and we said, hey, you know what? It would look good over there by the dining table. So we removed it, put everything in, and then we added this nice, more vertical window for the bench seating here by the window. Customer has a washroom right off the kitchen. So we did a little finish over here, added the tile obviously walking into this. And they have a little sink over there. This is cool, Frank. They went with a pop-up mixer. Let's see if I can get it out. Very cool. Once you're done, put it right away. So, of course, like any job, it's never cut and dry. In the existing kitchen, once again, like I said, the kitchen was from here to there. It was a small kitchen, now it's huge. There was softening, as in a lot of older kitchens. And in the exterior of a house, under rear backing, there's usually never any piping. But of course, there's 2 bathrooms upstairs. When we demoed everything, there was all the piping right in the way of where we needed to put our ceiling and our cabinets. So all that had to get moved. So we cut, basically re-roughed everything, put it in the wall as needed so we can get our cabinets in, and we made it work. Customer also went with an Insta-Hot. So she has her sink faucet, and then she has her Insta-Hot. She wants to make tea or any hot drinks, oatmeal. And that's really it. Frank, if you want to come outside, just so you could see, when we take a window out, we always have to patch the siding. Here's the new window we installed and capped. As you can see, we had to patch all the siding in. It matched up very well. You can't even tell that there was a window there. So guys, if you're in the market for a new kitchen and you want to have us come in and help bring your idea to creation, give us a call, 631-422-0294.